Good morning, students. Good morning, respected officers, teachers, and my lovely students. I am Shri Asit Vyas from MHB English School, Malwani, Malad West, PN Ward. In the last lecture, we learned about complementary angles and done practice set number 16. So, today we are going to learn supplementary angles and practice set number 17. So let's start. Let me share screen. Okay. So our subtopics are supplementary angles and practice set number 17. So we will start one activity. In this, your textbook number, page number 26, please open. T is a point on line AB. Okay. So the question is, what kind of angle is ATB? So, yes, you will write in the chat box. What kind of angle is angle ATB? Yes, it is a straight angle. The second question is, what its measure? Yes, children, we are studied in previous standard, a straight angle measures 180 degree. Okay, so this is the written answer. You can take a screenshot. Now, these are two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. So add angle ABC and angle PQR. So angle ABC is 120 degree and angle PQR is 60 degree. So 120 plus 60 equals to 180. The sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now add these angles. One angle is given 110 degree. Second is 70 degree. So 110 plus 70 equals to 180 degree. Here 10 degree and 170 degree. 10 degree plus 170 degree equals to 180 degree. 30 degree plus 150 degree equals to 180 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now, so we see that each pair of angle adds up to 180 degree. So there is a special name for such angles. They are called supplementary angles. Okay. The sum of these angles is 180 degree. So they are called supplementary angles. So this is the definition of supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Okay, दो angles जिनका sum 180 degree होता हो उसे supplementary angles कहते हैं. So perhaps you notice the pair in this 4 list. In below pairs except one pair of two right angles, this two right angles, all the supplementary pairs had one acute angle and one obtuse angle. Yes, here one obtuse angle, one acute angle. This is also the here also 10 degree, 70 degrees. So 10 degree is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. Acute angle, obtuse angle. So these are the important properties of supplementary angles. When we have two right angles, or when we have one angle is obtuse and one is acute. One obtuse, one acute. Then it becomes supplementary angle. तभी ये supplementary angle बन सकता है जब दो एंगल्स या तो 90 डिग्री के हो या फिर एक ऑप्टिस एंगल हो और दूसरा एक्यूट एंगल हो. ठीक है. In the previous lesson, you have learned about complementary angles. Angles that add up to 90 degree. 52 degree plus 38 degree equals to 90 degree. In this lesson, you are learning that supplementary angles, angles that add up to 180 degree. So children, one easy trick to remember complementary angle and supplementary angle. In the spelling of complementary, you just draw the vertical line through letter C. So it will become 9. And O we assume as 0. So complementary actually looks like 9 and 0. This is 90. In the spelling of supplementary, if we draw a cross line in through letter S, it will become 8. Connect U as 0 and write 1 before 80. So what it becomes? Yes, 180. So angles that add up to 90 degree are complementary angles, and angles add up to 180 degree are supplementary angles. Easy to remember? Complementary angle 90 डिग्री का होता है जो उसके स्पेलिंग में ही बनता है, और supplementary angle 180 डिग्री का होता है जो उसके स्पेलिंग में ही छुपा हुआ है. So in complementary angle we have to subtract given number from 90, और supplementary में 180 में से given number को minus करना पड़ता है. Got it? Now let's do practice number 17. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. In this, you have to find the supplementary of these given angles. Children, we can do it orally also. 180 minus 15 equals to 165. 180 minus 85 equals to 95. But in maths, we have to follow some mathematical steps. So, the same steps we have to follow as we found out the complementary angles. Remember 5 steps? Assumption, equation, elimination, value of x, and answer. So same way we will find the supplementary angles. The difference in the third step, that is in elimination, the supplementary angle will be 180 minus the given number, because we know that complementary angle find करने के लिए 90 में से given number को minus करते हैं, and supplementary angle find करने के लिए 180 में से given number को minus किया जाता है. So let's solve the first term. First angle is given 15 degree. So we have to find the supplement of angle 15 degree. As I said you, if possible, draw a rough figure. Here we have to find supplementary angle. So we draw a straight line angle. Okay. Now 15 degree is given. We have to find the second angle and we assume as x. Now follow the 5 steps. Okay. Now first step is assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2. Form the equation. Write the given measurement plus x equals to 180 degree. Therefore 15, that is given measurement, plus x we have to find equals to 180. Why 180? Yes, because we have to find supplementary angle. So our third step is elimination. Eliminate the given measurement of an angle from both the sides. Therefore, 15 plus x minus 15 equals to 180 minus 15. Subtracting 15 from both the sides. So plus 15 and minus 15 gets cancelled. So plus 15 and minus 15 becomes 0. So we cut plus 15 and minus 15. So only x will remain on the left hand side. Therefore, our fourth step is write value of x. Therefore, x equals to 180 minus 15. So 180 minus 15 we get 165. Therefore, our fifth step answer is, therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 15 degree is 165 degree. Got it? Students, you have to be careful. If you are doing complementary angle, it has to equal to 90 degree. If you are doing supplementary angle, has to be equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now next is 85 degree is given. Draw a rough diagram. Our first step is assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2, equation. 85, that is given measure, plus x we have to find equals to 180. Step 3, eliminate. Therefore, 85 plus x minus 85 equals to 180 minus 85. Subtracting 85 from both the sides. So, plus 85 minus 85 gets cancelled and it becomes 0. So, x will remain on the left hand side. So, our fourth step is value of x. Value of x is, therefore, x equals to 95 because 180 minus 85 equals to 95. So, our last step, step number 5 is answer. Therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 85 is 95. Next is 120 degree. Draw the rough diagram. First step is assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2, equation. Therefore, 120 plus x equals to 180. Step 3, elimination. Therefore, 120 plus x equals to, minus 20, 120 equals to 180 minus 120. Subtracting 120 from both the sides. So, our step 4 will be value of x. What is the value of x? 60, because 180 minus 120 equals to 60. So, our answer is, therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 120 is 60 degree. So, next is 37 degree. Same steps we have to follow. First, we draw a rough diagram. Then our first step will be step 1, assume. Let the measures of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2, equation. Therefore, 37 plus x equals to 180. Step 3, elimination. Therefore, 37 plus x minus 37 equals to 180 minus 37. Subtracting 37 from both the sides. Step 4 will be value of x. Therefore, x equals to 143. 180 minus 37 equals to 143. So, our final answer is, therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 37 degree is 143 degree. Next is 108 degree. Rough diagram. Step 1, assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Equation. Therefore, 108 plus x equals to 180. Eliminate. Therefore, 108 plus x minus 108 equals to 180 minus 108. Subtracting 108 from both the sides. So, our fourth step is value of x. Therefore, x equals to 72. 180 minus 108 equals to 72. So, our final answer is Therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 108 is 72. Now, next 0 degree is given. So, same steps. Step 1, assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2, equation. Therefore, 0 plus x equals to 180. So, 0 has no value. So, no elimination here. Directly value of x. So, we will write here, therefore, x equals to 180. So, our final answer is, therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. A degree is given, that is alphabet is given. No worry, same steps we have to follow. First step is assume. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x degree. Step 2, equation. Therefore, a plus x equals to 180. Step 3, elimination. Therefore, a plus x minus a equals to 180 minus a. Subtracting a from both the sides. So, value of x is x equals to into bracket 180 minus a bracket close. So, our final answer is the measures of the supplement of an angle of an a degree is into bracket 180 minus a bracket close sign of degree. Students, this tells us that if you find the supplementary angle of any given number or any alphabet, it is 180 minus that given number or 180 minus that given alphabet. If 50 degree is given, then 180 minus 50. If 80 degree is given, then 180 minus 80. Or m, that is alphabet is given, then 180 minus m. Simple. If p alphabet is given, then 180 minus m. Understood? Okay. Now, so here question 1 is over. Now let's see question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. ये जो angles हमें दिए गए हैं, उनमें से पहले हमें complementary angle की pair को find करना है और बाद में supplementary angles को. ठीक है? So let's start. First we find complementary angles. ऐसे दो एंगल्स को इस लिस्ट में से ढूंढना है जिसका सम 90 डिग्री होता हो. Yes, see the first one. Measure of angle B equals to 60 degree and measure of angle N equals to 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 equals to 90. So our solution will be measure of angle B plus measure of angle N equals to 60 plus 30 equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle B and angle N are a pair of complementary angles. Second pair is measure of angle Y is 90 degree and here measure of angle E equals to 0 degree. So 90 plus 0 equals to 90. Therefore, angle Y and angle E are a pair of complementary angles. Okay. Now third pair is measure of angle D equals to 75 degree and measure of angle F equals to 15 degree. So 75 plus 15 equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle D and angle F are a pair of complementary angles. Okay. Now, do we have any more pair of complementary angle here? No. So now we will find the pairs of supplementary angles. ऐसे दो एंगल्स को फाइंड करना है जिसका सम 180 डिग्री होता हो. Ready? Now see the first pair. Measure of angle B equals to 60 degree. Yes. And here measure of angle G equals to 120 degree. So 60 plus 120 equals to 180. So measure of angle B plus measure of angle G equals to 60 degree plus 120 degree equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle B and angle G are a pair of supplementary angles. Next is here, second angle. Measure of angle N equals to 30 degree. And the fourth angle, measure of angle J equals to 150 degree. So measure of angle N plus measure of angle J equals to 30 plus 150 degree equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle N and angle J are a pair of supplementary angles. Okay. So do you find any more pair of supplementary angles? No. So we get 5 pairs. Out of 3 were pairs of complementary angle and the remaining 2 were supplementary angles. So our next sum is in triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y equals to 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? So in any triangle, when you add the 3 angles, the sum measure is up to 180 degree. ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री ही होता है, that we know. So before write the solution, we draw a rough diagram. Angle Y is 90 degree, so it's a right angled triangle. Now write the solution. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle X plus measure of angle Y plus measure of angle Z equals to 180 degree. Sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is as per properties of triangle. Now substitute the value of Y because Y is given as 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle X plus 90 plus measure of angle Z equals to 180. Therefore, measure of angle X plus 90 plus measure of angle Z minus 90 equals to 180 minus 90. Subtracting 90 from both the sides. Therefore, measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary angles. So, in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, one angle is 90 degree, the other two will make the pair of complementary angles. Okay. Now, question number 4. The difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है, दैट मीन्स दो एंगल का टोटल 90 डिग्री होगा और दोनों एंगल का डिफरेंस 40 डिग्री का है. So we know that in complementary angle, the addition of two angles will be 90 degree. That means one angle is greater than the other by 40. So look into the diagram. Okay, if we take one angle as x, the another will be x plus 40. Suppose ये दो एंगल है, एक स्मॉलर एक लार्जर. इस स्मॉलर एंगल को अगर हम x मानते हैं तो ये लार्जर एंगल क्या होगा, जो भी स्मॉलर एंगल का मेजरमेंट है उससे 40 डिग्री ज्यादा बड़ा होगा. दैट मीन्स ये लार्जर एंगल कितना आएगा, x प्लस 40, और इन दोनों एंगल का सम कितना होगा, यस 90 डिग्री. सो लेट्स सॉल्व द सम. फर्स्ट वी assume let the measure of the first angle be x degree, okay, and the measure of second angle be x plus 40 degree. Step 2, form the equation. Write the given measurement plus x equals to 90. Therefore, x plus 40 equals to 90. Since the two angles are complementary angle, ये दोनों complementary angle है इसलिए 90. Step 3, elimination. Eliminate the given measurement of an angle from both the sides. First, we open the bracket, x plus x equals to 2x. Therefore, 2x plus 40 minus 40 equals to 90 minus 40, subtracting 40 from both the sides. Therefore, 2x plus 40 minus 40 equals to 90 minus 40. Plus 40 minus 40 becomes 0. Therefore, 2x equals to 90 minus 40. So, 2x equals to 50. But students, we have to find the value of x, not 2x. So, the further steps will be find the value of x. Therefore, 2x upon 2. Last lecture में देखा था ना, multiplication अगर right hand side पे जाता है तो it becomes division. Therefore, 2x minus upon 2 equals to 50 upon 2, dividing by 2 from both the sides. Therefore, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, x will remain on the left hand side, equals to 50 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 25 twos are 50. 50. Therefore, x equals to 25. So, we got this first angle is 25. Okay. Now the second angle. Find the measure of second angle. First angle is x. The second angle is x plus 40. Therefore, x plus 40 equals to, the value of x is 25. So, 25 plus 40 equals to 65. So, our answer is, therefore, the measures of the two angles is 25 and 65. एक angle x जो है उसका measure है 25 and second will be 65. Okay. Fifth is quadrilateral P, T and M is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. यहाँ पर जो quadrilateral है, this is the rectangle. So each angle is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 gives 180. So any two angles which you add, they will become supplementary angles. Okay. Now see solution. Since each angle of the rectangle is 90 degree, therefore pairs of supplementary angles are, first we will make a pair with P. Therefore angle P and angle M, 90 plus 90 equals to 180. P and angle N, that is opposite angle sum is 180 degree. P and angle T, 90 plus 90, 180. Now we will start with M. Angle M and angle N, 90 plus 90, 180. Angle M and angle T. P we have already used. So these two angles. Okay. Now we will start with N. अब P और M दोनों को हमने use कर लिया है. Now N के साथ एक ही जोड़ी बनेगी T की. Angle N and angle T. So in this way we have got pairs of supplementary angles. So our next question is, if measure of angle A equals to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? Angle A is 70 degree and we have to find the measure of supplement of complement of angle A. So first we will find complement of angle A, then supplement. ओके पहले हम एंगल ए का कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड करेंगे, बाद में उसका सप्लीमेंट. Only you have to read the question carefully. First find the complement and then supplement. Okay. Now our first step is assumption. Let the measure of the complement of angle A be x degree and the measure of its supplementary angle be y degree. So we assume complement of angle A to be x and supplement to be y. Okay. Now step 2, equation. Measure of angle A plus x equals to 90 degree because x is forming a pair of complementary angle. Therefore 70 plus x equals to 90. Substitute angle A value is given as 70 degree. Okay. So elimination. Therefore 70 plus x minus 70 equals to 90 minus 70. Subtracting 70 from both the sides. So value of x is 20. We got the complementary angle, that is x equals to 20. Now we will find the supplementary. Now we have to find the supplementary of this complementary angle. Since x and y are complementary angles, so x and y will become now supplementary angle. Form the equation. Therefore x plus y equals to 180. Now we just got the solution that the value of x is 20. So put the value of x. Therefore x plus y equals to x plus y equals to 180. So 20 plus y equals to 180. Eliminate x. So 20 plus y minus 20 equals to 180 minus 20. Subtracting 20 from both the sides. Therefore y equals to 180 minus 20. Put the value of y. Therefore y equals to 160. Therefore the measure of supplement of the complement of angle is 160 degree. Next, seventh question. If angle A and B are supplementary angles, measurement of angle B equals to x plus 20 degree. Then what would be measure of angle A? Okay. So since angle A and angle B are supplementary angles, तो दोनों का sum कितना होगा? Yes, 180 degree. So equation will be, therefore measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals to 180. So measure of angle A plus x plus 20, because we have angle B as x plus 20 equals to 180. Elimination. Measure of angle A plus x plus 20 minus 20 equals to 180 minus 20. Subtracting 20 from both the sides. Therefore measure of angle A plus x equals to 160. So 180 minus 20 get 160. Eliminate. Therefore measure of angle A plus x minus x equals to 160 minus x, because we have to find out angle A. So subtracting x from both the sides. So value of A is, therefore measure of angle A equals to 160 minus x. Our answer is the measure of angle A is 160 minus x. Okay, students. So here our practice set number 17 is over. Now these are the real life example of supplementary angles. So I hope you all understand what is supplementary angles. Okay, two angles add up to 180 degree. दो एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता हो उसे सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल कहते हैं. Now students, you have to answer this slide. Okay, find the value of x in the set of supplementary angles. One is done here. 80 degree is given, so 180 minus 80 equals to 100. Okay, now I am unmuting you all, so you can answer. Okay, beta. Okay, doesn't matter, children. Okay, the first angle is given. First angle is given 25 degree.
180
Okay,
minus
wait.
25 equal to 165.
Very good. 155 degree. The second is 48 degree. So what will be the answer? Yes.
48 degree. 180 minus 48 is 132.
Very good. Very good. 150 degree is given. So what will be the answer?
130.
150 minus 30 is equals to 180.
30.
Very good. Very good. Now 140 degree, 145 degree is given.
145, 180 minus
45 minutes.
45 is equals to 35.
Yes. 35
35.
degree. 90 degree is given then. What is the answer?
90 degree.
Yes.
90 degree.
Yes. 90 degree. Very good, students.
Plus
75 degree is given here. What will be the value of x?
105.
7.
Yes.
105
105.
75 minutes.
Okay.
15.
Very good. 130 degree is given.
50 degree. Miss. 50 degree.
Only, yes, yes. Only 50 degree. So, students,
150
this
degree.
lecture is over now. Okay. So, did you enjoy this lecture?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Teacher.
So now
Yes,
this session
miss.
is over. Thank you.